Are you experiencing issues with the health app not tracking your steps on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially when you rely on accurate fitness data. I'll show you effective solutions to resolve the issue and get your health app back to tracking your steps properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check motion and fitness settings. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on privacy and security. Tap on motion and fitness. Ensure that fitness tracking is toggled on. Restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Open settings, scroll down, and tap on general. Scroll down. Select background app refresh. Make sure background app refresh is turned on for either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll through the list of apps and ensure app is enabled for background app refresh. Solution 3. Check health app permissions. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud and then tap on Show All. Locate the health app and ensure it's toggled on. After that, open settings again. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap on health and ensure that the necessary permissions are enabled for any apps you're using to track health data. Solution 4. Offload the health app. Open settings, scroll down, and tap on general. Select iPhone storage. Find the health app in the list. Tap on the app and select offload app to free up storage without losing app data. Reinstall the health app from the App Store if necessary. Solution 5. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. After updating, check if the health app is now tracking your steps correctly. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will reset Wi-Fi passwords and settings but won't erase your data. After the reset, check the health app to see if step tracking is fixed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the health app not tracking your steps on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips.